Did I actually do something right? No.
I just saw the cutest edit. I can't even say it.
You zoomed into my face.
That I'm gonna work out.
Ow! And I kept it.
I didn't know about this emergency rental.
Yes, this is an emergency. I got that on video. It's 11. I thought it was 10. I'm so late. The vlog's gonna be late no matter what. But you know, it's 11.
What? What?
Thank you. But look, she's stinky. She's been working too long. Yes.
Ew.
Also, I'm starving.
Wow. Oh my god.
She's hard at work.
Hi, Bean.
It's done. Finally. Oh my god, what is my hair?
I have to shit so bad. Like, either I don't or I do. I don't know. But I'm trying to upload my video. Come on. It's cold. No. I am gonna work out and I'm gonna feel good. I am telling myself that it's that I'm gonna work out. I uploaded. Now I'm going to work out. I have it open. I'm going to change. It's gonna happen. This is the first day. This is what I'm doing. I'm literally following this girl's plan to a T. Last year or the year before with Chloe Ting, I followed one. I had abs. It was amazing. And yeah, so I'm gonna follow this one. If you want to go subscribe to her, her name is Rosie Graham. She's really good at explaining things, and she has a whole video explaining exactly what she did. This is the workout fit. I'm keeping the shirt on because I already wore it last night. Like, it's dirty. So I'm just gonna wear it because why am I gonna dirty a clean shirt? And then these workout pants I got from Target, and then I'm not wearing shoes just because I'm working out right here. Mountain climbers for 30 seconds. Just worked out. That felt really good. Like, I feel really good and energetic after that. I'm going to shower in a little bit. I'm gonna watch her video all the way through of the, like, what she did. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and then I'm gonna do that and then I'll shower. We have it. We have it, Slime. What? Hello. I drank some coffee and ate that apple with peanut butter. I think me and my mom are filming Sushi Sunday today. Probably not, but I hope so. Good. I was gonna shower, but my mom got in there as soon as I was gonna get in there. So I'll probably just shower in a little bit. I sweat, but not like a bunch. You know what I mean? The birds are always so loud, and you close the door and they get silent. Hi, I'm finally gonna shower. Should be hot water by now. And then I'm just gonna get ready. Like, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, some mascara, and get dressed for the day, just because I feel like it. And I should do this every day anyways. So, yeah, we're trying to better ourselves here. So I'm out of the shower. My hair drips a lot after a shower, so I do that so it doesn't drip down my back. Okay, we're gonna do a cool transition. I'm also gonna do my hair. There you go. I'm ready. I still hate my eyebrows, but it's fine. So I'm gonna do the little bit of dishes that there is, and then I don't know.
You zoomed into my face.
finally going to put my duvet on. Here it is, the Phantom duvet. Now you guys want to come in here. Ow! Stop it! Now, we're gonna make my bed. We're gonna get all this clothes off of it and make my bed. There's it before. So this is it made. You could see there's clearly a little bump here. But I mean, what can you do? I don't know what else to do. So I've legit just been laying here for like an hour watching, well, kind of watching this.
That looks cute.
Okay, so this is avocado toast. It's just mashed up avocado. I don't season it or anything like that. And 2 egg whites, sriracha, and then everything bagel seasoning, and then just some ginger. That's it. That was some bomb avocado toast. I left my cup. Yeah, that was bomb. The cutest edit. I'm trying to hold my composure. It's not even that big of a deal. Okay. I just saw the cutest edit. I can't even say it. I just saw the cutest edit of Ron and Hermione. You know the song, Line Without a Hook? I'm literally turning on Harry Potter. I'm gonna watch all of them. I don't know, I would put it in, but I'll get copyrighted, but that was just the cutest edit of my entire life. So I'm still crying. Like, it's like 30 minutes later, and I just watched it again with my mom. And I have this emergency Red Bull that my girlfriend brought me like forever ago, and I kept it.
I didn't know about this emergency Red Bull.
Yes, this is an emergency.
I love you, Bo.
I know. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Period emergency.
Yeah, this is my period emergency Red Bull. So I'm gonna put it on ice, and I'm gonna drink it, and we're gonna watch Harry Potter. My mom cried too, so it's not just me. Here.
Shut up.
Yep.
Mental that one.
Gryffindor! Slytherin! Gryffindor! Gryffindor!
I got that on video. No. You want to hear it? What are you making? Oh. Mom's making like a quick cocktail. So I'm just gonna try a little bit of these, just really quick, to see if these work out better for me. I have Winco chocolate, and I'm gonna melt it, and then I'm gonna put it inside this bag and do it like on the video that I showed in a previous vlog. Okay, so I'm gonna take these out and see how this goes. Did I actually do something right? No. So there's one. Not so perfect. Next time I will do them like on the sides. Pretty sure this one has a hole too. Yeah, it has a hole. If it had some chocolate, I would seal it. This one's cool. It's fine. Okay. Yeah, so next time I do these, they will be prettier. It's just, I wanted to see if these chocolates work better. And they do. Okay, last one. Wow. Okay. So they, only one of them actually, oh, two of them have holes. But for my first try, that's not bad. So I'm gonna stick to these. I'm gonna make a few of these. They're not hot cocoa bombs, hot cocoa popsicle sticks, but they're fun to look at. Stir it.
Stir it.
Yeah.
Nothing's happening, Miss Ma'am.
Does it need to be hotter?
Oh yes, I love my hot cocoa. Oh yes.
It's not hot enough. I asked if I was gonna wrap this sock, so now I am going to wrap said sock. I'm gonna make this smaller.
You're using my knee.
Yeah, I know.
Here, I'll give you the tape.
Alright.
Since when was that bleeding? Cute.
Mommy, I have an early present. Here. It took me.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is a very serious present.
A dirty sock.
Go, 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 go.
A sock. Yeah. Let's see Alice.
Can I take this for cramps? What is it? I don't know. Acetaminophen. Acetaminophen.
Acetaminophen.
Acetaminophen. Retainers hurt.
So my TV was laggy. It was horrible. Could be because I was trying to join this feature on Disney Plus that I've never seen before, and we're watching Stitch tonight. And this is her. She uses my thing. This is me. This was just really quick name. The only thing I could think of. I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm gonna lay down to sleep. It's 2:30. And I have to work out and shower and edit tomorrow morning. And I think we're going to my grandparents because they're here. If you made it to the end of the video, let me know something that makes you cringe. Like you're just like just thinking about nails on a chalkboard, like that sort of thing. That just like, you know, I don't know. That's one of mine. But yeah, I will see you guys